Hey analyst, what's up? In my previous video, I talked about 90 days roadmap to become a data analyst, where I gave you exactly what you have to learn in each of the data analyst tool to get an entry-level data analyst job role. Link to that video is in the description, you can check it out later. What I didn't talk about there was best free resources to learn those tools, and this video is exactly about that. I will be revealing to you the best online resources to learn each of these tools and skills for absolutely free. First skill was to learn basic statistics, for which I have 3 recommendations. First one is Udacity's free Intro to Descriptive Statistics, which has almost 19 lessons, all of which are video lectures and quizzes for practice. Following this is Udacity's second course, Intro to Inferential Statistics, which also has video tutorials and quizzes, and it is about 21 lectures. This one's about a major branch of statistics, the inferential statistics. These 2 courses will get you covered with a good amount of stats that will be needed for a data analyst job role. Another alternative to these 2 courses is this single Khan Academy's Statistics and Probability course, which includes video lectures and also has practice exercises and quizzes. Links to all the resources that I will be mentioning in this video is in the description box below. Next skill was Basic to Intermediate Excel. There is this one on LinkedIn Learning free course which teaches all the advanced formulas and functions in Excel, which will cover a lot of Excel. Followed by this is a 3-course Coursera specialization of Excel, which can be audited for free, and you will learn from basic Excel to Excel charts to Excel formulas to Excel functions and even Power Query, a very advanced topic in Excel. So don't miss this one at all. Next is Statistics with Excel. Whatever statistics you learn, you have to apply that in Excel. There's this free LinkedIn Learning course teaching you to perform statistical analysis in Excel. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel also. And if you want to accelerate your data analyst journey, hit the bell icon as well so you don't miss out any of my videos. Next tool was SQL. Best resource is this Tutorial Points blog of SQL, which will help you understand the basic SQL language, which is the language of databases, and further on you can choose any database of your choice and apply this learned language to it. Using this free course called SQL Data Reporting and Analysis on LinkedIn Learning, you can learn MySQL. MySQL is an industry recognized database. So once you know the basic SQL language, you can learn MySQL. Next one is to learn a visualization or a dashboarding tool. If you are learning Tableau, then the best resource I'd recommend is this free beginner to advanced Tableau training put by the Tableau company on their site, which is a complete video long course. If you want to learn each and every concept of Tableau in detail, then the best reference for that could be this YouTube channel called Tableau Tim. He puts detailed tutorials of Tableau concepts. There's this another channel that I will also recommend you. It is Andy Kriebel channel, where he puts some good tutorial and tips of Tableau. But if you're learning Power BI as your dashboarding tool, then the first best resource to learn it would be Power BI series of free trainings put by Microsoft company themselves. These courses include text picture tutorials, and wherever needed, there are video tutorials also added. Next reference that I have for you is Avi Singh's Power BI Pro YouTube channel. He also has some cool mini courses to learn Power BI on his channel, and also he keeps putting some good value packed Power BI tutorials regularly. So you can check all of these free resources from the description box below. But it's not done yet. To show your skills to your employers, you have to make projects, for which I have 2 references for you. Number 1 is Alex the Analyst Data Analyst Portfolio Project Series, where he makes data analyst project from scratch. Tools that he uses in his tutorials are Excel, SQL and Tableau. Link to the entire playlist is in the description, you can check it out. Another reference for making an excellent data analyst project is Analyze with Ali, this YouTube channel's Data Analyst Portfolio Project series. He will also guide you in making a data analyst project from scratch, where he covers a lot of Excel and Power BI, along with which he also helps you assemble your project to impress your recruiters by putting that project into a free website. So that's it for the free resources. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel also for more such videos.